Which of these represents the most parsimonious explanation? A, the teacher doesn't do lesson plans because there's not enough time during their planning period. B, the teacher doesn't do lesson plans because of previous work trauma around completing menial tasks. C, the teacher doesn't complete lesson plans because of a relationship breakdown between the teacher and the principal. Or D, the teacher doesn't complete lesson plans because the lead teachers have limited training in helping others complete lesson plans. Let's talk about this one. So the question is asking us which of these represents the most parsimonious explanation. So we have to have an idea of what parsimony means so that we can answer this. A is the correct answer, which is the teacher doesn't do lesson plans because there's not enough time during their planning period. Now, we don't actually know if this is the reason. What the question asks us is which is the most parsimonious explanation. And parsimonious explanation means we're going to rule out simple explanations before we go into complex explanations. So when we're operating from a place of parsimony, it's a requirement that all simple and logical explanations for the phenomena, so for what we're studying, the phenomena under investigation, to be ruled out experimentally or conceptually before more complex or abstract explanations are considered. So going back to our teacher, sure, it could be work trauma. It also could be because of a breakdown of the relationship. It could be because the lead teachers don't have enough training. But all of those are more complicated answers than they just don't have time in their planning period. So even though it very well may be one of these more complex answers, before we go to one of those, we should rule out the most simple if we're going for the parsimonious explanation. So again, this is one of those ones where I have to know the definition, but then I also have to be able to apply it in a scenario. So in this case, what is the most simple explanation? I should rule that out first before I go to more complex explanation.